Ever heard of a city where ancient history, voodoo traditions, and the Atlantic breeze all meet? Welcome to Ouidah, Benin. If you're searching for somewhere off the beaten path, get ready, because Ouidah is about to blow your mind. Now let's kick things off with a wild fact. Ouidah is one of the world's voodoo capitals. Yeah, real voodoo. Not the Hollywood stuff. This is the real deal, full of color, rhythm, and centuries-old rituals passed down for generations. First stop, the Route des Esclaves, or the slave route. This historic path stretches from Ouidah's old Portuguese fort all the way to the door of no return on the beach. Walking here, you feel the weight of history, the stories, the pain, and the resilience of those who passed through. It's powerful, moving, and a must-see. But Ouidah isn't just about the past. Let's talk flavor. Hungry? You have to try a spicy bean fritter you'll find sizzling at street stalls. And don't miss the palm wine, fresh, sweet, and slightly fizzy. If you're feeling adventurous, sample a local cornmeal dish drenched in rich tomato sauce and served with grilled fish. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Culture here is everything. Ouidah hosts the annual Voodoo Festival every January. This is when the city explodes with color, music, and dance. But even if you visit another time, you'll catch the rhythm of daily life. Vibrant markets, friendly locals, and art everywhere you look. When greeting someone, remember to shake hands and offer a big smile. Beninese hospitality is legendary. Now, let me share a secret spot. Head to the sacred forest of Capasin. This lush, mystical grove is filled with towering trees and voodoo statues. It's peaceful, spiritual, and a true hidden gem that most tourists miss. A few tips. The dry season from November to March is the best time to explore. Dress modestly and always ask before snapping photos, especially during ceremonies. Ouidah isn't just a destination, it's an experience. It's where past and present dance together and every street tells a story. So, what do you think? Would you walk the slave route, taste the street food, or maybe join the Voodoo Festival? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more hidden gems and travel secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time, this is your travel guide, bringing the world and Ouidah to you.